Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mari. Hope everyone's doing well and staying safe. And my hair is flying because I have the fan on. I'm always like hot. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I have posted some boomerangs in my stories. And I actually, a little story before I show you. So this is the item that I picked up, but I had my the personal shopper I told you guys about all the time, Monica. I love her so much. She's like the best. And she was in Paris. So if you guys follow her, you guys saw as well that she was in Paris and she was doing shopping. And I had told her to pick up an item for me, and of course she did. And she shipped it to me when she got back, and I had made the mistake of telling her the item that I wanted. It was, you know, in that same family, but just different. So what I did was that I went to the Louis Vuitton in Soho, and I did like an exchange, and I just paid the difference. So now that that's out of the way, oh yeah, if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And yeah, it's free, so it'll help me, and you know, we could just you could hear me blabbing about the things that I love. All right, so here we go. So here it is, and you know, like I said, she had picked it up for me, and this is the receipt. But I had told her the wrong item, and I'll show you guys. I'm a slider, even though now I'm gonna have to slide off the whole thing, so let's just take this up. Okay, so here's the box, and here's the item. I'm sure you guys saw probably in my stories, but yeah, here it is. Look how beautiful this is. All right, so I had Monica pick up for me the LV Garden Square silk. Do they call it I think that's what they call it, the Garden Square 90. That's what it was. And it was silk, but I mean, right there I should have realized that I had told her the wrong thing. But anyways, so that one is, you know, all silk, and it's smaller. This is a shawl, so this is like a scarf, and this is what is it, silk, and I looked it up too, polyester and silk. I'll leave a link down below. And like I said, it's you can use it as a shawl, you can use it as a scarf, and it's from the Garden collection. So as you guys can see there, you see all the beautiful colors. So pretty. This collection, I mean, to be honest, I'm not crazy about the Speedies and the other items that they have in this collection, but you know, that's just me, you know. But I do think that the card holder in the, I want to say the gray more than the other color. it's pretty. But yeah, I don't know, I just, nothing like spoke to me. So, but when I saw this, I was like, oh, I absolutely love it. Love, love, love it. So let me put my eyes on, and it is M77920, and there it is right there. And it's the garden, and it says BLMA. Well, this is blue, so, and this is the tag right there. And it's a blue color, and then the corners all around it's red. So you got that nice little pop of color all around. And of course, all this gorgeous, all these gorgeous colors all over the scarf. So pretty. And then at the bottom it says Louis Vuitton right there. Yeah, and you know, with the LV scarves, it's really soft, and I have a few scarves, but like I said, this collection in this scarf, it was just so super pretty. So I thought that I would grab it. Let me show you guys so you can put it like this. So you can use it like this for fall now, winter, whatever, but it's so pretty in spring. I just love all these colors that it has on it. The contrast of all the colors with the blue and that pop of red, so gorgeous. Or if you just wanted to use it as a shawl, you can do that as well. Put it around your shoulders, like that, or whichever way else you like to wear your scarves. It's all a matter of preference with everyone. I probably like to wear their scarves, but yeah, just wanted to show you guys real quick the scarf from the garden collection. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them linked down below. I like to hear from you guys, and of course I'll respond. And yeah, let me know who of you guys have picked up anything from this collection. I'm curious because I haven't seen that many people pick up items from this collection, so I'm curious. Yeah, so any comments, leave them linked down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. Los amos mucho. Bye.